packing nut is leaking. When you turn this on, it's leaking pretty bad. Probably needs to be replaced. It's pretty crusty. First step. I think that solved it. Just needed to be tightened. Nope. Still leaking. Still leaking. That's about as tight as you get. Oh wait, is that leaking up there? So there's the other leak. It's coming from there. Right there. These always leak. Garbage. Tighten the packing nuts on both. That fixed it. Then toilet doesn't flush. Well, seems like it flushed to me. I lowered this. I don't really see these very often. These power flushes. That water line's too high. It's way too high. I think this is too high. Where am I? Washing machine drain. Backing up. Okay.